It's 4:40 a.m. on March 4th right now, and this is not at all the video I plan to publish this week, but I'm having something today that's going to affect my channel, so I wanted to let you know what is happening and why my channel is going to be a little bit different. So about a year ago, I had a bad ski accident, and that requires my knee to get some surgery, my right knee to get some surgery. The good news is that I'm getting my knee surgery today, so let's talk about that, and also let's talk about how that's going to affect the channel in the coming weeks. More than 12 hours now, my knee is repaired. The operation went super well, so we're going to talk about more of this when we get back home. The reason I'm making this video is that I don't actually know how much time it's going to take for me to fully recover. I love making videos outside and know that you love watching them, and I'm definitely going to get back to making them as soon as possible. While waiting for that, I have 5 videos that were pre-filmed before my operation. The 2 first ones are about something that I'm only waiting for an embargo to lift to be able to publish them, and the last 3 ones are all about the Insta360 One X2, a very interesting camera that I had the chance to test during the last week. You should definitely go check out my Instagram and TikTok accounts, where I'm going to be posting more content about the Insta360 One X2 in the next weeks. I'm going to challenge myself in the next few months to try and create some interesting videos, even if I'm limited to only being inside or very close to my house. I want to end this video by simply saying a big thanks to everybody that wrote to me on Instagram when I published that I was having an operation. It was very much appreciated, and I never expected to get so much support from all of you. I hope you enjoyed this little update, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.